fucking guy's insane! What the fuck? Holy shit! What in the fuck was that guy thinking? Holy shit.
С этими уродами. Он не натягивал мне на голову мешок, кормил, когда я просил. Щелк, сказал я. Дверь неслышно открылась, и в комнату...
Неожиданно мягко и даже немного печально. Ты все правильно решил, мальчик. Ты пока не можешь делать мне такие подарки. Не потому, что я господин почтеннейший начальник, разумеется. Просто так все складывается. Зато ты вполне...
Get an unlimited phone plan starting at $80 per month for your family on Google Fi Wireless. Enjoy unlimited data, calls, and texts with hotspot tethering and smart web.
There's a lot of resources out there. They're open to you. I've already done the hard work to make them, so you might as well use them. So that's all I have for today. Thank you.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Are you fucking stupid?
Okay, Garmin.
Really?
They really liked. And then the man was like, hey, I'm also good at something
Garmin.
else. And they're like, really?
Save video.
And sure enough, that's what they started doing. And they started.
Freaking idiot.
Term life insurance, up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few health questions and get your free quote at ethos.com.
Okay.
Oh, go again. 10, 20 minutes. Go take a lunch, I don't know. Like, we're okay. Obviously.
Yeah, what are you doing? This lady's a
Yeah.
fucking idiot. Wow, I don't know what she's doing. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Fucking conversation.
I want to get to anywhere.
Putang ina. Putang ina. Putang ina.
You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Freaking stupid people, man. I'm good. Come on. Wow.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Dumbass motherfuckers out here tonight.
Jeez. Idiot, get off your freaking phone. Jeez. Jeez.
That's the most stupidest shit you can do. Idiot. You alright? You okay? You don't do that. You don't pull up on a moped like that in a car. That's very dangerous. You know, come on. We gotta be grown-ups here, man. We gotta be grown-ups at the end of the day. If there's no space, you stay behind me. I don't know what's wrong with these people these days, man. You know, people just get stupid and stupid by the day, you know. Just, you want to go in front? Go. Ladies first. Go ahead, ladies first.
Oh, you fucking stupid cunt. Fucking retard cunt. You fucking retard motherfucker. You fucking stupid fucking slag.
And I see this in my truck flying by. Look at him. Flying by. He threw all the snow. He made it way difficult. See, you don't see the line here. I give him the high beams, telling him to slow down. He gotta slow down. He cannot do that. So, again, I look at in the mirror. I see this in my truck, same trailer, coming really fast, way faster than the first one. And yeah, look at the left side. Quick and easy. So guys, always be careful on the highway. And these guys, they need to drive more carefully. Look at the fire. Because there is a lot of families in the highway, older people. They need to slow down.
Holy fucking shit. Holy shit, did y'all see that? Speaking Chinese,
Generally speaking, generally speaking, Chinese people